All right, beautiful people. Today we're talking about same essential question from yesterday, and it's how do I rewrite a fraction as a mixed number or an improper fraction? So yesterday we talked about going from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Today we're talking about converting from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So as a reminder, in the left-hand side, I like to rewrite what both of those things are. So a mixed number is a number like 5 3/8. And an improper fraction is a number like 72/50. Okay. Notice that the improper fraction has a bigger number in the numerator, and the mixed number has a whole number and a fraction component. Okay. All right, so when we're doing example 2, from an improper to a mixed number, we're going to start with a fraction that's written as an improper fraction. Let's start with something quick, like 5/3. Okay, so 5/3 is an improper fraction because the number on the top is bigger. So this one's improper. Okay, in order to make it into a mixed number, so do you remember yesterday when we took a mixed number and made it improper, we used multiplication. To go backwards, we're going to use the opposite of multiplication. And the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to remember, a fraction bar represents division. Fractions are division. Okay, so because of that, if I have 5/3, I have 5 divided by 3. So I can do this as a long division problem. All right, so 5 divided by 3. So I'm going to put 5 inside the house and 3 on the outside. Okay, so does 3 go into 5? Not perfectly, but 3 goes in one time. 3 times 1 is 3, and we can subtract that. And there are 2 left over. So do you remember how I said that we can use remainders to rewrite a fraction? So this becomes a fraction, and all of these different components are pieces of it. So we start with the whole number, which is going to be the number on top. So 1 is the whole number. Okay, and now our fraction part is going to consist of the 2 pieces of the remainder and the divisor. Okay, so 2/3. Okay, when you have a mixed number, this is the number of times the denominator goes into the numerator. This is the remainder, and this is the divisor. Okay, so let's try a second one. So take a second, pause this, make sure that you got that down, and we're going to try another one. A little more tricky. Okay, we're going to try the improper fraction, 38/9. Okay, so we're going to start by remembering that this is division, so we can rewrite it as 38 divided by 9. So then we write it as a long division problem, 38 on the inside and 9 on the outside. Okay, so then we'll do one step at a time. I'm going to stick to the colors from earlier. So does 9 go into 3? No. Does 9 go into 38? Not perfectly, but it does go in. So let's count how many times. 9, 18, 27, 36. It goes in 4 times. So I'm going to put 4 on top. And we subtract 36 because 4 times 9 is 36. Okay. All right. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. And we have a whole number and a remainder. So we start with the whole number, and that is 4. And then we use the remainder, which is 2. And the number of things that we were dividing it by, or the divisor, is 9. So 38/9, 38/9, is equal to 4 2/9. Okay, again, we use this when we're converting from an improper fraction to a mixed number because division is the opposite of multiplication. And when we're going backwards, we use multiplication. Okay, so this is our answer. We're going to do some try-its in the next one.